Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain formula of trigonometric function of sum or difference of two angles. So, in my last video, we have proved two results. First is cos x plus y, cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. And second cos x minus y, cos x minus y equal to cos x into cos y minus, here is plus, sin x into sin y. Okay. Now in this video we have also see some more result based on sum or difference of two angles. Okay. So here we have to do another result. Sin x plus y equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Fourth is sin x minus y equal to sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Okay, we have to prove sin x plus y, sin x minus y. Okay, so as you know the identity, trigonometric identity cos x plus y. So cos x plus y. Okay, and we have to show with the help of cos x plus y, sin x plus y formula. So dear children, sin x plus y can be written as cos pi by 2 minus, okay, x plus y. Okay, cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. And cos pi by 2 minus x plus y also written as pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, so now using the formula cos x plus y, so this is cos pi by 2 minus x into cos minus y. Okay, this is written plus minus y, and this plus sin pi by 2 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x into sin minus y. This is minus y here, as we know, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, and cos minus y is cos y. Here sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So this is cos x, and sin minus y. The value of sin minus y is minus, so plus become minus, and this is a sin y. Okay. So we have proved another result. Sin x plus y formula with the help of cos x plus y. Okay. And in this expression, replacing y by minus y, so we get another result, sin x minus y. So sin x plus minus y equal to sin x into cos minus y and minus here is notice this is minus sign. Okay, and minus become plus. So plus cos x into sin minus y. So this is sin x into cos minus y is cos y, and here is cos x and sin minus y is minus sin y. So plus become minus cos x into sin y. So this is another formula sin x minus y. Okay. So we have to prove another result. Sin x plus y, sin x minus y. Okay. Now using these four results, we have to prove another result, okay, of trigonometric function. So let us see one by one. Next, tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay, and another result, tan x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay. So first we have to prove tan x plus y. So as we know, tan x plus y written as sin x plus y upon cos x minus y, cos x plus y. Now using the formula sin x plus y and cos x plus y, so sin x plus y written as sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y upon cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay. Now dividing numerator and denominator. Okay. Divided numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. So we will get here is tan x. Okay, cos y cancel out. Tan x plus tan y, and on this side 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay, this is formula tan x plus y, and in this expression replacing y by minus y. So we have to find the formula tan x minus y. So this is tan x minus y equal to tan x plus tan minus y upon 1 minus tan x into tan minus y. So tan minus y, the value of tan minus y is minus tan y. So this is tan y upon 1 tan x, tan minus y minus tan y. So minus become plus. So tan x into tan y. So this is formula of tan x minus y. And next we have to show the formula cot x plus y and cot x minus y. Next is we have to show cot x plus y, okay, equal to 1 minus cot x into cot y upon cot x plus cot y. Okay, cot x plus cot y. Okay, here we mistake. This is cot y cot x, and this is cot y into cot x minus 1. ठीक है, cot y and we have to write cot x into cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Okay, we have to prove. So as we know, cot x plus y written cos x plus y upon sin x plus y. Cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y upon sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now divided numerator and denominator by sin x sin y, sin x into sin y, dividing numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y. So we got this is cot x into cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. Okay, cot x plus y formula. And now replacing y by minus y in this expression, then we get cot x minus y equal to cot now replacing y by minus y, so we will get this is cot x into cot minus y minus 1 upon cot minus y plus cot x. So here cot minus y is minus cot y, so this is cot x into cot y minus 1 upon minus cot y plus cot x. Now taking minus is common, so this expression become cot x into cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Okay, cot y minus cot x. So this is required result of cot x minus y.